Hey everybody, this is Sean with Suncoast Films. Happy Sunday. I've been putting together this project for Sunbright Manor in Defuniak Springs, Florida. I've been going to this town for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years now, and it's in its beauty. The first time I saw it, absolutely beautiful. The next year I came back, or year and a half I came back, I'm staying at the Defuniak Hotel doing some ghost hunting, the old Defuniak Hotel, Hotel Defuniak. And I saw these things. The whole front of the house looked like it was ripped off, and it was horrible. I'm going to put the whole description of the house, the repairs, what they've done. Supposedly going to be a bed and breakfast, and we'll see. I want to be the first to stay there if they do open it and they do say it's haunted. That would be a neat place to hunt. But it kind of broke my heart when I saw all the debris, the things they threw away. You'll see the beautiful lions on the front porch. They were just thrown in the grass, thrown in the rubble. I would have loved to have them if they were going to throw them away. So it is what it is. But the video comes up now. It's the before, the repair, and then after. These are my visits. And right now it's yellow with a white colored roof. And I think, in my opinion, it's lost a lot of the appeal. But I'm not the builder. I don't know the extent of the damage. But before we roll the videos, I want to give a shout out to Reed Timmer and Ryan Hall for the nasty tornadoes late Friday night that hit Mississippi, Rolling Fork. The radar hook was even I saw it, and it was sickening just to see that radar loop. We knew it was going to be bad. Prayers out to that whole town. The town's gone, and I want to thank both of them for their reporting. And Reed's trying to take people to the hospital, and super job on them both. But I just wanted to throw that in there because of this. There's nothing left in Rolling Fork. But the Sunbright Manor, if you drive by down, I think it's Highway 133, take a look. Video starts right now.
Look at this house here. Absolutely beautiful. It's for sale. There's a sign right there. And look at the window right there. A pretty window right there. This is the front right here. Let me look at this place. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the doors. Balcony. Beautiful. Windows and doors there, and
If y'all remember, last year I was here filming at this beautiful Sunbright Manor, and look at it now. And there's some the little carriage house is gone. There's some of the windows and doors there, and absolutely heartbreaking. But what I'm told is termites were bad, and they will fix this. I mean, look at the beautiful. Show you right here. You can see the and they're gonna fix it. From what they said, they're gonna fix it. If you guys see my video from last time, and there's some of the lion right there. The lions that were on the front. There's part of some of the railing. There's the lions right there, and look at that. Look at the damage at the top right there. This place was actually just breathtaking. From what I understand, they're gonna fix it themselves. Chef Ernie said they're gonna fix it, and they're gonna open it up to a bed and breakfast. And I cannot wait to stay here. So the whole front porch is gone. And there's the side right there. So, wow. Absolutely beautiful. Well, I mean, it's beautiful in its way, but I mean, you know what I mean? It's being beautifully restored, hopefully. But there it is, Sunbright Manor, on the Register of Historic Places. Man, I hope they can pull it off. I really do. It looks like they know what they're doing. I wish them the best of luck, man. All right, everybody, there's Sunbright Manor. At least beautiful as it ever was. And it looks like it was falling apart last time, but looks like they did a good job, man, whoever did this. Because that whole front part up here was being held up by big stanchions.
I'm not sure I like the yellow on it, but it's definitely beautiful. And so they had a little gazebo over here, and I'm glad they could save it. And from what I understand, it's going to be a bed and breakfast. And I'm glad they could save this house. They tried to do the windows best they could because they had the multicolored windows, but they tried to restore it as best they could. But I'll be glad to stay here when they get it up and running as a bed and breakfast. So this is Sunbright Manor. Google it. Look at the old pictures before and after. This is Sean with Suncoast Films on YouTube. Peace.